Betty.
Hi, it's Emily.
So today we're really excited because we're starting a new series called Food Item of the Month. Yay!
Yay!
Our first food item this month is soybean. Its scientific name is Glycine max. It's a legume from the pea family, and it usually is produced by drying the pea into soybean.
Yeah, so a source in North Carolina, or in particularly the Soybean Association, thought that soybean first originated from Southeast Asia, and it was actually Chinese farmers that first cultivated it in 1100 BC. And by the 1st century AD, countries like Japan and many other countries also grew soybeans as well.
So when is it best in season? Soy products are quite globalized now, so you can find it at your local supermarkets year-round now. But if you want to plant the soybean plant itself, it's recommended to plant them during the warmer seasons between April and June, when the soil warms up to about 16 to 21 degrees Celsius. The plant can grow up to 2 meters tall and can be harvested after 2 months.
So soybean could be consumed as edamame, and you probably will see these commonly at Japanese restaurants as an appetizer. And soybean can also be made into soy milk, tofu, and other soybean curd-like products as well. And today we are using tofu, and so for me, I made a matcha tiramisu, and so for the cream layers, I actually used soft tofu.
For me, I made pan-fried tofu, and I've used traditional tofu, which is similar to a medium tofu.
So in the next few clips, we'll show you how we made these, and we'll also talk about some of the benefits of soy products as well as the common misconceptions. Let's get into it. So some of the benefits of soy products is that it's a really awesome vegetarian protein source. For example, soy milk is almost the same to dairy milk in terms of protein content. It's high in fiber, low in saturated fat protein, and also contains polyunsaturated fats and helps to lower cholesterol.
Some common misconceptions are that soy products increase estrogen in the body and that men should avoid it. These research results use extremely high-dose soy products and are inconclusive in the human body. They do not show research significance in decreasing male reproductive ability or testosterone levels. It is also heavily reported that soy or any legumes should be avoided for patients with gout, but research has also shown that animal proteins more so increase purines, which in turn create uric acids and uric crystals in our body, causing gout. It is actually recommended to substitute meat proteins with vegetarian proteins more often for patients with gout. Another misconception is that soy increases risks of breast cancer in women. Studies show that soy either has a neutral effect or even is beneficial in protecting against breast cancer. it's taste test time. Mine is this beautiful plate of pan-fried tofu. It probably could serve about 3 or 4 people with rice and vegetables and other things for dinner. So it's quite easy to make and beginner friendly. I would say out of 10, probably a 7 or an 8 because I'm quite a noob with cooking as well. So it was quite easy. And then the taste. It has a crispy outer and the inner is still soft and moist, which is beautiful. Has a light golden look to it, which is very appetizing, and the flavor is kind of, it's not too salty, but it has it brings out all the flavors of the onion and scallion and the tofu itself. There isn't that bitter taste or that tarty taste after eating tofu sometimes, which is really good.
I'm definitely salivating as you're describing it.
It's actually really good. I think it would do the best with some rice, obviously. But yeah, definitely would recommend trying this, and the price is so affordable as well. Added together, maybe less than $3 for this full plate. So it's a really good source of protein.
Yeah, and that's what I love about tofu, because it's just super affordable and it's protein and calcium packed. So since we are talking about the price of tofu, I'm gonna go a little backwards and talk about the price first. So I made the matcha tiramisu. So for the tofu itself, I bought 2 packs of the soft tofu for about $2. I only used 1 pack in this recipe. So I made 2 actually. And if Betty were here, I would share one with her. But so for
I'm so sad.
But yeah, so for both of them, I would say it was less than $3. So I'm gonna do a taste test. So the great thing about this tiramisu recipe is that you don't need to let it rest overnight in the fridge or anything.
That's great, because having to wait for my tiramisu to sit and have its full flavor is like dreadful, literally.
We want that instant satisfaction. So I can't really taste the tofu, which is actually really good. It just kind of tastes like a custard, and then with the castella cake, it soaked up the matcha sauce really, really well. I'm impressed. But yeah, so in terms of taste, I definitely say a 9 out of 10 for me. In terms of how easy it was to make, definitely super, super easy. I would say that's definitely a 9 out of 10 on the easiness scale.
That is amazing.
I'm so happy we had such great success with our first product.
Yeah, that is amazing. So for next month, our product of the month is going to be rice. So as true Asians, we make a lot of different types of food products with rice. So look forward to what we're going to cook up next.
And we'll be back next time.
Bye guys.